Start out by using the templates. Goes passenger side. This one is driver side. We're gonna use some scissors and cut this. Or cut out with the Dremel. Once you cut this, you just tape it on. What we're gonna cut is just this part right here along the lines. So this top part is a cap, but we are gonna have to cut the bottom right here. Trim that, this and this. So right here, through here, right here, and then the bottom. Do that, we can take off the top and then just trim this top part. I'll show you guys right now what I mean. Just make sure you mark it with something so you know where to cut. I'm just pop this cap off. You can just set this cap to the side. You're gonna cut this also. But for now, we just need to cut this. Alright. Alright, here's my Dremel, here's my cutting wheel. And I'm gonna just cut along the line that I showed you guys. Little piece and you just clean it off. That's what we cut off. So right now I'm just cutting this with scissors. Same thing on the passenger side. You just cut it out. You just tape it on top, outline it, cut it with the Dremel, clean it up, and that's it. Same thing, once you outline them, you just pop off the cap. Get this hole and you just pry it up. Prise up, take that out, set it to the side. So this one I'm gonna cut through here, down here. I do it at speed like around 5, 7, just to outline it more and then just let it rest. Little piece we cut. Same thing on the other side. Next step is removing these and replacing them for the ones we got. Alright, we're gonna remove the shock absorber ring. It's a 14mm on 3 of the bolts. It's just 1, 2, 3. That's the driver's side. Passenger's side, same thing. Alright, take the ring out. This is the one we got with the package. So I'm gonna install this one right here. So you put the back one in first. I'm gonna put this under. Lift it up a bit. Lift that up real quick. And it should be good. Same thing for this side. We remove 3. I remove the ring. And you just replace it. This was the one that came. You put the corner one first, kind of at an angle. You put this one, and for this one you kind of lift that up. And here's this strip bar. Should have gone in bolt washer and nut. It's 2 washers on the package, so just remove this one and the washer. Keep this black washer goes right here. We had to lift this so you can line up the holes for the strip bar and the hub ring. So you just gotta line up the holes. Just tighten this one, then you can put it back down. You're gonna get 2 box end wrenches and just tighten them up like that. They're both 12, by the way. Nuts from top of the strut and just tighten them down with the ring. Let me tighten these. These nuts, you want to jerk them down to 44 foot-pounds. Should be 44. Now this is what we cut off. This is final product. Passenger side, driver's side. I still need to clean it up a bit. This is what we cut off. All right. We're gonna put the driver's side first. See how it fits. Could trim it a little more right there, just so it can close good. Let's try the passenger side. Same thing for the passenger side, maybe trim a little more there. Other than that, it should be done. And that's the strut bar.